Hi everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title guys, today we are going to discuss a proper roadmap for becoming fluent in English in 2024. So what habit do you need to develop from morning to night to achieve your fluency in English within this year? I know many viewers have been trying to learn English for a while and try make some progress, but then fluctuate back to beginner level. Instead of that, I will show you how to follow a structured approach to become extremely fluent in English. You can consider it's a challenge, whether it's a 60-day challenge you can say, or it's a 90-day challenge, or whatever suits your ability and schedule. It's all depend on how much time you can allow to it and how passionate you are about learning. So let's get started. If you are at a beginner level, the most crucial aspect of learning a language is vocabulary. Without words, you cannot form a sentence. Without sentence, you can't form a paragraph. And without a paragraph, you can't have a dialogues. To be fluent means to engage in conversations and communications effectively. Okay, so you should focus on vocabulary because this is the one of the most crucial aspect of becoming fluent in English is building a strong vocabulary. Think of vocabulary as the building blocks of a language. The more you know, the more words you know, the more accurately and expressively you can communicate, guys. Set a word goal. Start small with maybe 5 or 10 new words daily, or you can learn words in context, not in isolation. For instance, if you learn a word like a daunting task, okay, then find a sentence that use it. Okay, this helps you to understand how it fits into a conversation. And guys, you can read books, articles, or watching shows in English can expose you to new words in their natural context. Okay, or you can practice with synonyms and antonyms. This is the best technique to enhance your vocabulary. For each new word you learn, try to find its synonyms and antonyms. Okay, this is not only broaden your vocabulary, but also helps you to understand the nuisance of meanings between different words. Okay, for example, for the word happy, okay, learn synonyms like joyful, elated. And if you go through the antonyms, then like sad and miserable. Okay, so once you start capturing the antonyms and synonyms, your vocabulary will be enhanced. Or guys, you can create a word of the day. Make use of word of the day feature from dictionaries like Merriam-Webster, or online platforms like Dictionary or Translator. Okay, these platforms provide a new words each day. Okay, I can say with complete its definition and pronunciation and examples uses also. So make it a habit to use the word of the day in your conversation or in writing part also. Okay, I would like to tell you one more a very important thing, that a language revolves. Okay, the language revolves around 4 things, that is called listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And you can assume, or you can think, a newborn learner learns a language by listening to their environment. Similarly, guys, you need to immerse yourself in English, even if isn't spoken around you. If nobody is speaking English around you, you can still learn it by creating an English environment for yourself. You can guys listen English podcast, watching English series, and reading English books, and switch all your daily activities to English. For example, instead of watching news in Hindi, you can watch it in English. Okay, replace your music with English speeches. Okay, read English books, articles, or even subtitles out loud. Okay, this helps with pronunciation and fluency. And guys, immerse yourself so much in the language that it naturally fits into your mind. Okay, and this will only take a few weeks. Only take a few weeks. Next is reading. This habit you can develop in yourself. You start with children's novels if you are a beginner. Okay, as they have a simpler language and sentence structures. If you are at an intermediate level, read books that match your levels. And if you are advanced, choose more complex texts. All right. Now then comes speaking, which should start from day one. Okay, we should start from day one. Begin by speaking simpler words and sentences related to your day activities. For example, guys, when you wake up, name the objects around you in English. For suppose if you are at bed, right? If you are in bed, there is a bed, there is a mirror, I'm getting ready, or I'm shooting this video and I'm receiving the call. Like that you can do it. Okay, or you can also do a mirror talk. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. This is the best technique. Okay, what you are doing here, how you are feeling, or what your plans, okay, are for the day. This helps building confidence and fluency, guys. You can also record yourself. Okay, use your phone to record yourself. While you are talking in front of mirror, you can also record yourself. You can see the gestures. Talk about your day. Okay, a favorite movie or a book, or whatever you are reading. Then listen to the recording and spot area for improvements. Guys, you can do the shadowing also. Choose an English video. Suppose if you like whatever you like the video or podcast, listen to a short segment and try to repeat it exactly as you hear it. Okay, focus on matching the speaker's pronunciation and intonation. Okay, describe your surroundings. Take a look around you and describe what you see, in English. Okay, for example, I see a blue couch, a wooden table, and a beautiful painting on the wall. Guys, this practice builds your vocabulary and speaking skills, and then gradually you will move on to the more complex sentences and then to paragraphs. Okay, and guys, final step is writing here. Okay, start by writing simple sentences and gradually progress to the longer text. Okay, write about your day, your plans, your experiences. Okay, this will organize your thoughts. Okay, when you write, you organize your thoughts. You organize your thoughts, clearly, more clearly. This clarity translate directly into better spoken communication. Start with simple journal entries. Okay, that journal I have talked about a lot in my videos. Okay, you can just talk about your day, your thoughts on a topic that interests you. And believe me, guys, by writing regularly, you practice forming correct English sentences. This practice makes it easier to construct sentences. All right. When guys, when you speaking, helping you speak more fluently and naturally. Okay. Writing allows you to review and refine your sentences. And guys, believe me, this skill transfer to spoken language, helping you correct mistakes and speak more accurately. Okay, one great thing is about writing is writing encourages you to search for a new words, okay, and new phrases to express yourself. These guys, these new words will naturally find their way into your spoken English. okay, enriching your vocabulary and making you more and more confident, okay. And this will help reinforce what you have learned through listening and reading. And remember guys, writing isn't just about pen a paper, okay. It's a pathway to become a more confident and proficient English speaker. Give it a try guys and see your language skills soar. Now guys, if I talk about the fluency in any language comes with a consistent practice. So immerse yourself in English daily. Okay, follow the structured approach I have shared and you will see the significant improvement over a time. Okay guys, so good luck and let's embark on this journey to mastering English together. Okay guys, and that's it for today's video. I think you liked the video, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of my latest videos. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.